In today's video, I want to show you what makes a landing page convert. That's the reason why I'm making this video. As you can see on your screen right now, this landing page is a very high converting landing page, and the landing page is owned by Adnan Sani. This is a landing page for a course about Airbnb. As you can see, this is very good looking. This is very good looking and very professional. Now, why I'm making this video is to show you why this landing page is going to convert, because you want to be able to learn the secret so that you can apply it to your own business and use it to make money for yourself or use it to make money for other businesses or your clients. All right, so I won't waste time. I'll just go straight to the point and show you why you should be creating a high converting landing pages. Okay, if this is your first time of coming on to this channel, you're welcome. My name is Awajiman Isioto. On this channel, I teach you how to do stuff online. I show you things you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So looking at this landing page now, what are the things, what are the elements that makes this landing page to convert? Because most people don't really understand. They just go ahead to run adverts online, and when you run adverts online, most of the times, if you don't do it well, you may not get the sales. You may not get the right persons to come to you. That is why you really need to be very careful about what you are doing with your landing page, and that's why we're talking about this landing page. Okay, if you look at this now, what are the elements that makes this landing page very professional? Number one, you can see a large headline on top of it. The headline says, first of all, you're seeing a logo. Okay, some people can use logo, some people use logo, some people don't. But one of the major things that you can see here is the headline that says, discover how I built a full-time income on Airbnb without owning property. That's a headline that is strong. Okay, a very strong headline that catches your attention. And then if you look down below it, immediately below it, you're going to see the subheading which says, enter your email to get full breakdown and see how you can start your own Airbnb business the smart way. And the next thing that follows it is the image. Okay, some people use videos, some people use image, depending on what you want to do. So the next thing there after it is the offer. Okay, the offer. Want to build income with Airbnb even if you don't own a property. Okay, you can see, enter your email and I'll show you the same system I used plus how you can get access to my full Airbnb training. You can see now it's now giving us the opportunity to insert our email, which is the offer and the call to action. The offer is that we are going to learn how to earn money from Airbnb. All right, is offering us the opportunity and the access to get a training. So what is this actually telling us to do? Is telling us to insert our email, which is followed by the call to action button, this green button here that says show me how it works. Once you click on it, insert your email and click on it, it will take you to where you can find more details. This is a very professional landing page. No too much long unnecessary jargon on the page, just straight to the point, and then the call to action. As you can see, you can use this, you can create something like this for your business, especially if you don't want to be having unnecessary people that cannot pay for your business, or you want to pre-qualify. You can actually use landing pages. Okay, this is a very professional one. Now, one more thing I like about this landing page is that once you insert your email and then you say show me how it works. Okay, let's just test it. I want you to see how this works. It takes you to another page. Most people, some people will say they will connect this page or redirect the first page to this page, which is going to be the thank you page. That is after people have clicked on the button. All right. Some call to action will lead people to a group. It just depends on how you want to do it. But this one thing I like about it is that it leads us to another page where you don't just disappear after signing up. It's telling you to still watch a video, and then when you watch a video, you will be somehow, some people will be forced to buy the course. So even if you don't buy the course, he has collected your email. He will still have to remarket to you through your email. Are you getting it now? So this is a very, very professional and perfect landing page, in my own words, which is something you can adopt for your business. Now, if this is something that interests you, if you want to learn how to build a landing page like this, whether for your business or for someone else, so that you can be making money, because the goal is for you to be able to make money in your business, to automate your business and make your business easy. Whether you're an affiliate, whether you're a realtor, whether you are a business owner, an investor, or you just want to learn how this skill works, go to the comment section and drop a comment for me, or go to the link in the description. I'll drop a link there. This is just for a few persons and it's not free. Okay, it's not free, but you are going to learn exactly how to build a landing page like this. All right, that is where I'm going to stop for this video. If you have learned something from this video, kindly tap the like button. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to go to the link in the description and join us there, where I'm going to be teaching you how to create landing pages like this. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.